of Mandalay Villas Apartments. I'll be your tour guide for today. Antonio, welcome to our B4Pgm 1149 2-bed, 2-bath apartment home. Follow me. Immediately entering the apartment, you'll see that this apartment is on the second floor with steps that lead up to the place in which your apartment will sit. Entering into the living room area, but first behind me, you'll see that this apartment also has great natural lighting. Immediately you notice one thing about this apartment that makes it very specific: the wood vinyl flooring. That's right, there is wood vinyl floor throughout the kitchen, living room, and dining room area of this apartment. Followed by a granite-like countertop and a white colored cabinet with black appliances for the refrigerator, the stove, and the microwave. Not to be outdone by the pantry area. To the left of the pantry area, there is washer and dryer connection. Okay, follow me into the master bedroom. Now, this master bedroom is very spacious, and it also holds natural lighting, as you can see to my left. There is a comfortable carpeting that flows throughout the bedroom and also into a spacious walk-in closet with 2 shelves on the right side and 1 shelf on the left side for many of your storage, clothes, and shoes needs. Entering into the bathroom, you'll see a highlighted edition of a garden tub surrounded by black and white tile. Not to be outdone by the linen closet that sits on the right. Follow me into the second bedroom. Now, the second bedroom also has carpeting with natural lighting, which will save a lot of money on electricity, by the way, as well as another size walk-in closet. On the right side, you have your guest bathroom. Simply put, with the same beautiful black and white tile followed by the tub as well. Heading out past the living room area, we have a balcony. This is a very lengthy balcony for all of your decor. It also gives you a pretty good view of the neighborhood as well.